Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited because I'm gonna show you what's in my Apple Watch Series 6. And if you haven't watched my unboxing video of the Apple Watch, you can go watch that now before you watch this video. But if you're new here, hi, welcome, subscribe. And if you're coming back, hi, hello, thank you for coming back. And I'm so excited for another thing because you guys, I have a background. I'm sorry I'm looking at the viewfinder, but oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, if you want a tour of my new setup, let me know. I'm so excited. We're gonna go and get started. I have my phone right here, and so sorry if I look down. So obviously, I think for most Apple Watch users, the #1 thing that I use personally is activity. And basically, activity is a feature on your Apple Watch that comes with the Apple Watch, like iOS, like the apps on the iOS, that basically can track your workouts, can track how many steps you take in a day, how many calories you burn, and also how many hours you are standing up. Another thing that I really like is that you can set up the workout that you did, so the Apple Watch tracks it. So basically, for example, if I ran a mile, 5 miles, and the Apple Watch basically times when you do that, and it's a workout. The next thing that I really like using is the heart rate app. So basically, the Apple Watch can measure your heart rate, and it tells you how high or low it is. The breathing app. So I have talked about this in my morning routine video, but I think this is one of the most helpful features because personally, meditation and all of those things like breathing and just being in the moment just helps me through anxiety or stress. You just take a moment to yourself and to be in the present moment. So the next app is the one that tracks your blood oxygen. So I don't really use this feature that much, and I think it's super helpful for someone that really needs it. And I think this is an incredible feature that Apple introduced this year. Okay, so going down the main app road, I have calculator, and it sounds silly or whatever, but actually I use the calculator on my phone so much. So when I got it on my Apple Watch, it just makes it very easy to just like flip your wrist and just type whatever you need to type or calculate, and it's very fast, and I really like this. Okay, so the next app that I really enjoy and that has been helping me so much is the Bedtime app. It doesn't only track your sleeping time, it also tells you and reminds you that this is your bedtime, so you can stick to a bedtime and you can control how much you sleep. I did find another app. If you don't like the Bedtime app, you can use a app that is called Sleepwatch, and it's also for the Apple Watch, and you can use it also on your phone. So it helps you with your sleep time goal, your sleep pattern, restful sleep time, sleeping heart rate, BPM. So another feature that the Apple Watch comes with is Messenger. When you get a text on your phone, you can actually reply on your Apple Watch. But I am gonna say that I don't really like this feature because it should take less time, but it takes me so much time to actually reply on the Apple Watch, so I do stick with my phone. But if you are someone that really likes it and it works for you, you go girl. I'm really glad it works for you. I wish it did for me. So now for the apps that I have been discovering. The next thing, if you're like me and you struggle so much to drink water, this is for you. This app is called Drink Water Reminder. So basically you download it on your phone, you select all the settings like your weight, your height. It should recommend the ideal, like how much water you should be drinking. So for all the girls watching or boys, if you are into the NFL season, my point is that I didn't know, but you can actually download ESPN on your phone and it will appear. If you sign up, you have to sign up, but it's free. Basically, it's gonna appear on your Apple Watch as well, and you can get news or reminders of games, and it's so cool. So also, if you don't have it on your phone, please go download it, and just, it's so cool. So next, I haven't talked about this, but if you go to the watch settings on your phone, you can switch up your faces, like the wallpaper or background of your Apple Watch, and I have a few that I'm gonna show you. You can actually put your Memoji and it kind of moves, and it's so cool. But right now I have the kind of blue mint green color regular clock that it has 4 settings around it. So I have the activity, the breathing, the bedtime, and the heart rate. So everything's on the display, and it's so helpful to have it right on there. And Apple does come with a lot of different faces that you can choose from. So the last app that I wanted to share with you, the app is called Night Sky. And basically Night Sky, what it does is it uses your location to literally tell you what stars are in the sky at your exact location. So I'm gonna show you now a few accessories like wristbands that I have. So if you want to know where you can get the Apple Watch and the wristbands, I am gonna put everything down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry for my rambling. I hope you come back, subscribe down below if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing week. I love you guys.